Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Grammarly for team collaboration with Slack, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Grammarly website. Log in to your Grammarly account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Integrations section within the Settings menu. Click on Integrate next to the Slack option. A prompt will appear asking for permission to connect Grammarly with Slack. Click on Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Now, open your Slack application. In the left sidebar, locate and click on the channel or direct message where you want to use Grammarly. Type a message and ensure that Grammarly is activated in your text input area. As you type, look for the Grammarly icon in the text field. Click on the icon to enable or disable real-time writing suggestions. Review the suggestions provided by Grammarly as you compose your message. Make the necessary adjustments based on Grammarly's recommendations. Once satisfied with your message, hit Enter to send it. For team collaboration, encourage your teammates to follow the same setup. Remind them to enable Grammarly notifications in their Slack settings. Now your team can communicate with improved clarity and professionalism. Consider scheduling regular check-ins to discuss writing standards and Grammarly usage. With everything configured, your team is ready to enhance their communication together. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.